All right, in this lesson, I'm going to be teaching you how to play the song House of the Rising Sun by The Animals, or at least made popular by The Animals. This song was recommended to me by Tyler. Thank you so much for the recommendation. And if any of you would like to leave me any song suggestions, just put them in the comments down below, and that would be great. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That way, if ever I do cover the song that you request, you can be notified about all the tutorials I come out with. All right, so I'll go ahead and play the song for you now, and then afterwards I'll explain it in more detail. So let's go ahead and get started.
There is a house in New Orleans they call the Rising Sun. It's been the ruin of many a poor boy, and God, I know I'm one. My mother was a tailor. She sewed my new blue jeans. My father was a gambling man down in New Orleans. Now the only thing a gambler needs is a suitcase and a trunk, and the only time he's satisfied is when he's on the drum. Mother, tell your children not to do what I have done. Spend your lives in sin and misery in the house of the rising sun. Well, I've got one foot on the platform and the other's on the train. I'm going back to New Orleans to wear that ball and chain.
All right, so for this song, we're using 6 chords, and we're going to be in the key of A minor. So we have A minor, we have C, we have D major, and then I'm going to be using F over C, which is a variation of the traditional F. You could play the traditional F if you'd rather. And then we also have the E7, which is very similar to the E major. It's just going to have this third finger placed down for the E major and then removed for the E7, okay? So those are the other 2 chords for the song, E major and E7. Now I'm playing these chords with the capo here on the 2nd fret because some of the song is just too low for me to sing without it. So if you would rather, you can remove the capo and you'll be in the original key of the song. Now what's really nice is once you get the chord progressions down, it's just repeated over and over. We've got 4 different verses that are just repeated and everything's exactly the same. There's no chorus or bridge or anything like that. It's all the same progression. So once you get it down for one verse, you just repeat it over and over again for the others. Now for strumming, I'm using the swing pattern, which is a very, very simple 3-beat strum pattern. And for beat 1, I'm just plucking the first note of the chord, which in this case, most of the time is going to be the A string, okay? Because for A minor and for C and for the F, that A string is the first note. The E string is not part of those chords. So for that first note, the first beat of the measure, we're just going to pluck that A string by itself. So that's beat 1. And then we have 2, 3, and, okay? And then we repeat. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, okay? So as I said, keep in mind that for the A, C, and F, the A string is the first note of those chords. For the D, it's going to be the D string, okay? So the E and the A string are not part of the D chord, so you got to start the first beat on that D string, okay? And then when you get to the E chords, whether it's E major or E7, the first note is going to be your low E string, okay? So beat 1, you hit here for the E chords, okay? So if you would like to get the chord chart for this song, just click right here. It'll take you on over to the website and you can download the chord chart for this song and many others. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Take care.